my way to get a sandwich!
Sorry! Right. Let's end this. Looks like you led me right to it.
Enough! I have won! The game is over!
Not until you've shot me. Then you'll finally join me and be a winner.
I don't want to be a winner! I'd rather be a disappointment to you than live like this.
What? Gumball, no. Disappointed? I could never be disappointed in you. I just saw your potential, that's all, and I wanted you to reach it. I'm sorry if I upset you. Please, just take the flag, my little trooper. You've earned it.
Thanks, Mom.